Okay, I got a bit of bad news today for Google TV users, and this includes anybody that uses the TV streamer, the ONN box, or any other off-brand Google TV device. But there might be a little bit of a silver lining throughout this video, so make sure you stick around to the end. If you want to support the channel, one of the best ways to do that is hitting the subscribe button right down below, or checking out our exclusive offer for IPVanish, where you can get a VPN for 30 days free. Check it out down below in the link. So as most of you are already aware, Google TV actually never dropped Android 13, like their version of Android 13. It skipped directly to Android 14. And this was a bit of a bummer because if you don't upgrade the OS version, you really don't get any extra new features. But it's pretty much been all but confirmed that there will no longer be a 15, right? They're going to skip all the way to Android TV 16, making it more of a normal jump to only update the OS every 2 years. So this is pretty big news, a little negative, but there is a bit of a silver lining that I want to explain throughout the video. So last year we finally got Android TV 14, which was actually a combination of 13 and 14. So they basically merged the debut together, which was awesome, right? We finally get a new OS, some devices get updated, and so far it's basically just the Google TV streamer that's running it, with some hopes that the ONN box is going to get updated to it, but we haven't officially gone that yet. The Chromecast TV as well has been updated, so for those of you that have those. But sources have confirmed that Google has switched to updating its Android TV only every 2 years instead, meaning we won't see another version until around this time next year, maybe a few more months in the future, because phones have already started to get Android 15 on them. And that's usually, 2 months or 3 months before TV versions start to get it. Now, the reason why I say this isn't necessarily a bad thing is because a lot of manufacturers don't want to continue to update these devices every year. So, for instance, the NVIDIA Shield TV has Android 11. They haven't updated it in years. They've kept the same, which means you're missing out on a lot of the new advanced features. But when you give them that 2-year gap where they get to decide, are we going to continue to update this or add on a new OS? I think it gives a little bit more room for that company to feel comfortable making those upgrades to the device. Now, we also know, although Fire TV is switching to Vega OS, they are actually working on Fire TVs, so actual TVs, that are going to run Android TV 14 on them. So we can now expect Amazon to use a different type of OS than just their Fire OS. It kind of seems like, based on the naming that they had with it. Now, there is a little bit of relating to the ONN box. So if you're somebody that uses the Pro, 4K, or Stick, check this out as well. So it seemed pretty likely that Walmart, or ONN, whatever you want to call it, I guess most people call it the Walmart box, was going to upgrade their 4K box again. This is their base model. It's like under 20 bucks. And back in 2021, they replaced it with a new model in 2023. And the person that actually produces this, so the production company, SDMC, has showed off a brand new 4K value box. So SDMC, which is the company that produces all these Walmart boxes, has released these brand new next generation boxes. There's the 4K Ultra, there's the 4K Pro Mini, and then there's the 4K value box. Now, this is a really cool redesign, but this is what potentially that new ONN box could look like now that it's 2 years later from the last release. The problem, like AFTV News points out here, is Walmart just updated their packaging. And so this is where things get confusing a little bit. It's not a huge update. They just added this little white banner. But it begs the question, why would you update your packaging? You spend money, because it is expensive to update packaging, and then change your box in a few months. That doesn't really make sense because you're going to have to update it again. But we have to remember that Walmart recently added in this little thing at the bottom that says US compatibility only, compatible only. Because as you know, ONN boxes will not connect anywhere else in the world unless you're in the United States. So you now have that little text right there. And there's a chance that they just needed to update that text because they were probably getting spammed with negative reviews from Canadians or Europeans that were buying these boxes, getting them shipped to them, and then they can't set them up. And it sucks, unless you watch my video that I'll put up right above here. So there's still a chance that Walmart releases this updated version of their 4K box that could still be under that $20 price point, which would be awesome. You get a slightly faster device, and it would bring a ton of value. Hopefully I didn't damper your mood on Google TV devices. I think it can end up being a good thing that companies aren't feeling pressured to create a new device with the brand new Google TV Android 15 every single year. So let me know what you think down below in the comments. I also have all my links to my favorite streaming devices and accessories down below in the description. Thanks for watching, guys.